In a high-security military lab, engineers test a prototype rifle designed for urban combat. Despite its sleek design and advanced targeting system, the weapon jams repeatedly under simulated stress conditions. Data screens flash error codes as soldiers grow frustrated. Ironically, the rifle's complexity becomes its downfall. Dust, moisture, and rapid firing cause catastrophic failures. This scene exposes a critical flaw. Over-engineered military tech often underperforms in real-world chaos. Meanwhile, in a dimly lit garage, civilian rebels retrofit commercial drones with explosives. These off-the-shelf models, originally for photography, now carry grenades with pinpoint accuracy. Using 3D printed attachments and open-source software, the group bypasses military-grade encryption. One rebel remarks, "Why pay millions for a Predator when a $500 drone does the job?" This highlights a key advantage. Civilian tech is affordable, modular, and rapidly adaptable. The two worlds collide in a smoky alleyway. Soldiers, burdened by overheating rifles and bulky armor, face rebels wielding angle grinders modified into plasma cutters. One soldier's vest is pierced by a ceramic kitchen knife reinforced with carbon fiber, a stark contrast to his own standard-issue Kevlar. The rebels' agility and familiarity with industrial tools prove decisive. This clash reveals a harsh truth. Military superiority is a myth without adaptability. A defecting soldier presents footage from military tests. Standard-issue vests fail at 800 per second, while civilian-grade polyethylene plates, designed for construction work, stop rounds at 1,200 per second. The secret? Commercial armor uses nano-layered materials dismissed by military contractors as too experimental. The Defector explains, bureaucracy killed innovation. His evidence sparks a rebellion within the ranks as soldiers question their own equipment. Rebels repurpose crop-dusting drones to drop clusters of micro-grenades, while soldiers struggle with Vietnam-era radio protocols. One agricultural drone costing less than a single mortar shell destroys an armored vehicle by dropping molten aluminum onto its engine, a tactic borrowed from metallurgy forums. Meanwhile, the military's encrypted comms fail due to outdated firmware. The lesson? Open-source communities innovate faster than trillion-dollar defense budgets. Rebel hackers breach the military's supply chain AI, replacing rifle bolts with 3D printed replicas designed to fail after 200 rounds. Investigators later discover the fakes were made using schematics from a gun enthusiast's YouTube tutorial. One officer admits, "We outsourced production to cut costs. They outsourced sabotage." This systemic vulnerability exposes how reliance on privatized logistics creates fatal weak points. Civilians capture footage of soldiers duct-taping their boots, while rebels wear high-end hiking gear with graphene-reinforced soles. The hashtag $store military trends as memes compare $2,000 military goggles to $300 ski masks with augmented reality displays. Protesters demand audits of defense spending, holding signs like, "My vacuum robot has better AI than your tanks." Public trust erodes further when leaked documents reveal generals ignored warnings about the tech gap for years. The brass finally attempts to adopt rebel tactics, but procurement rules delay orders for commercial drones by 18 months. Soldiers receive mandatory improvisation training using outdated manuals that still recommend bayonet charges. A frustrated lieutenant whispers, "They're making us fight a smart war with stupid rules." Bureaucratic inertia ensures every reform is neutered by committee approvals and contractor kickbacks. In the final battle, rebels disable tanks by spraying their optics with windshield coating bought at auto shops. Thermal cameras are blinded by modified hair dryers. The military's last drone countermeasure, a $50 million laser, is destroyed by a catapult launching magnetized nails. As soldiers surrender, one rebel holds up a cordless drill welded to a machete. "This cost $89. Your rifle cost $8,000. Guess which one won?" The victory redefines modern warfare. Post-conflict analysts identify the paradigm shift. Victory now belongs to those who leverage civilian innovation fastest. military academies teach courses on Home Depot warfare, while defense contractors scramble to hire YouTubers. A former general admits, "We prepared for peer-state conflicts, but lost to handymen with GitHub accounts." The era of monolithic defense systems ends as militaries worldwide embrace open-source, agile adaptation or face obsolescence.